My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Shaun of the Big Brother Naija No Lose Guard season, Kassia don't come out to come expose how im take toast her before he go toast Wanni. And also Wanni and Shaun, their hanky panky wey be say dey play for under Duvet today, the thing don't cause mixed reactions for all social media platforms. And lastly, Zion and Chinwe, they don't name themselves as the dynamic duo of the season. So few hours ago, Chinwe and Zion they actually get a quarry, and Chinwe she dey vex to say Zion tell her to say make she go associate with other housemates, which be the right thing wey be say the guy actually do. Normally, when you and a guy come into a show, you're not supposed to actually make that show all about the man, because now 100 million you can't come win. Men na people wey be say you can never rely on 100%. Honestly, you can't rely on them 100%. So you come inside show, you carry man matter for head like gala, instead of concentrating on the 100 million. The man where you even they drag for, the man they tell you to say, babe, let's do it like this. Try to associate with other housemates so that you go get strong leg for the ass. She say no, she start to cry. They explain, give the whole housemate. Eventually, two of them come reconcile after they do their wager tax finish, which they fail actually, which the whole house fail their wager tax. So this morning, Zion and Chinwe they come dey discuss. According to them, they say nobody there on their level for inside the house. Say and the rest housemates recognize the fact, say they not reach them. For inside their mind, Zion and Chinwe believe to say that they be the strongest pair for inside the house, and every other person they panic at the sound of their name. If only these two delusional people know wetin they go for outside here, they go realize say they not even rate them for outside here safe. To me, Chinwe get so much potential to show for that house, because the girl she did a little bit loud and she did jovial. But I don't know why she just couple herself to a man. Everything episode there na baby, baby, baby all the time. She fit remove herself from that particular baby, baby where she dey call the guy, and trying to really show us, bring herself confront. I believe to say she in a very strong contender this season. So unto Shaun matter with Cassia, today Cassia just dey reveal to say when she first come into the Big Brother house, now Shaun first come toast, try to talk to her before he can go meet Wanni to toast Wanni and all of that. The thing wey be say dey shock me for where Shaun dey be say Shaun dey move from one housemate to another. First of all, we dey see am today with Nelly. We no know the one wey be say dey tell the girl, whether they toast her or they advise her. I no understand that conversation wey be say and Nelly they have. This one wey be say all the guys, most of the guys for the house, they migrate go where Cassia dey. Most of them not even know to say that lady she's actually married. And one thing wey be say I notice about Cassia and fan base, those people they know they really find trouble online. Now which I don't know, they don't even attack person. You hardly see all those Cassia fan, not even know their fan base name safe. And there's a difference between when a particular housemate, when a person actually get fan base, and when the general public like you. And from what I don't notice so far, different housemates don't get huge fan base, but Cassia and her husband Kelly, the hope is as if the general public like the both of them. I hope say this movement where we say Shaun the move, go be like Emma Rose, where we say Emmanuel deny the girl for national television. Where we say you toast, you come for national television, disgrace the girl, embarrass her, come wash your hand, come out, collect shoppers money, chop, clean mat, do as if nothing they happen. Forgetting say everything we say they do for this life, karma, they actually they exist. Because with the way Shaun they move from different women for inside the house, it look as if the boy just want chop, clean mat, then move on with his life. So onto the charade where we say Shaun and Wanni do this afternoon, where we say everybody don't they shout, everywhere just the hot. The thing don't make a lot of people they shame the girl, and fans they try to explain what happened. But what you they explain where we say evidence they might be just the issue here. So this afternoon, Shaun and Wanni they lie down for bed. As we all know, two of them might be the main shippers for this season. So for under the duvet where two of them dey, some serious touching go on for there. And we all know also for Africa as a whole, when a woman enter inside reality TV show like Big Brother, and she can't they remove her clothes for there, or they do any immoral thing with man for inside there, people they always drag her way, not just even inside television, both for outside. It's always a woman against the world all the time. And another thing we say, anytime when we say it's like when these housemates when they enter inside the show, they forget say people they watch them, they forget like they not even learn the lesson where the other ones, the past ones learn. It's now just rinse and repeat. Now they always do if they enter inside the Big Brother. Because that's the reason why we say one day go enter there, they do that thing for under the way. Knowing to say for Africa here, they if woman do that type of thing, they tear her to pieces and they always stigmatize them with one kind of name. Till today, Mercy Eke never fit remove the Olosho wey dey call her from her name. Angel never fit remove the Olosho wey dey call her for her name. Dat na so the thing just be with BBN girls, most of them. So make we see some reaction over this particular thing wey be say Wanni do with Shaun for under Duvet. Yes, say this is not good for her. This was how Kidwaya finished Erica and ran away after the show. We all know wetin up between Erica and Kidwaya at that time. Kidwaya and Erica, and every time they disturb our ear for night everywhere. So it was a lot then. And people really slow shame the girl that time. It was a lot for Erica. I don't even know how she even overcome that trauma. Till today, they see the tag. Anytime we see a person misbehave for inside people that Erica they use as example. So now one come say, I thought they learned from Rasfina. These Wowo babes end up lonely after the show. But why everybody they call Wanni and Handy say they Wowo, say they're not fine, say they're dirty. Those guys not Wowo for my eye like that too. As in they normal for my eye. Honestly, I'm not trying to say that they extremely beautiful, but they are not ugly. Another person come say this is what Shells wanted to do with Bella, but Bella has sense. London boys, they are blue balls. So another person come say very dish gushing. She obviously is a hustler. As in what do you mean by hustler? Mean to say she dey do olosho work. Come say but have a bit of dignity. Very cheap thing. This guy will use her for the show because she's dramatic and dump her outside the house. She doesn't have the poise and class to roll with his type. The guy will obviously go for a clean babe, which she's not. Some girls of nowadays choose to be cheap and rules and is very irritating to see. No home training, no self-respect. Come put thumbs down. The reason why we say people they actually react like this now because say na just a week into the show, now Handy done the alarm and the touch her puna and all of that. The two sisters, you go just notice say Handy na actually Wanni before I go say Handy. Wanni na actually the wide one, while Handy na the quiet girl. Another person come say this girl will spoil Handy's game. What a cheap commodity. Next one say double K for the money. Another one say if she think this is rushing art is what we want this season, then she should rethink. The last one say she's the spoilt one among her twin. Chai, I pity her sister Handy. Now that thing where we say they talk, say everybody go blame the woman. They not go even remember the man where they do that type of thing because for society as a woman, mistake you are not supposed to make mistake at all. That's why you need to respect yourself as a lady for Africa. The same people every say they call out Wanni, they watch Love Island. As they watch Love Island, they see all those people, they do all those things, they go they laugh, they do but if an African woman do one, everybody everywhere go boss. Mona not get me wrong, I know they support what Wanni do at all because anybody where we say just come into a show can behave like me, to say you not get self-discipline, you not get self-respect for yourself. But as we they drag the girl, go good say tomorrow will drag the boy because most of the time society they forget men, they give them loose hand more than the way that they give the women. Una take care, una bye.